Hey guys, welcome to a new video. My name is Olga Soby and we are back here with Molly in Molly's art studio and we are up for a challenge. So check this out guys. Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta. We're gonna be spinning the wheel today. Hopefully we will win something. Well, hopefully we win a beautiful painting. So what's gonna happen today? We're gonna do a diptych and this is a first part of the video. To see the second part, you're gonna head over to Molly's channel. I will link her video in the description and you're gonna see also it in the card at the end of this one. So it's gonna be two parts. We're gonna create a beautiful painting, and to pick some of the colors for this piece, we're gonna use this guy. Let's see how this one turns out. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, you guys, welcome to part number 1. And right now we're gonna spin the wheel to pick the color for the color split base. So we're gonna go for color split. We agreed that one color is gonna be white. Just to keep it a little easier for ourselves. And the second color, hopefully, second color of the color split, we're gonna pick from this wheel. And Molly, you wanna tell how we picked the color for the wheel?
Yes, so what we did, to make it fair, we did one color that we liked out of a color group. So out of orange, we picked a vermilion color. And then we picked one color that we don't like so much. So like brown is the other color. And we did that all the way, I know you gotta breathe. And we did that all the way around the wheel. So this first one is gonna be for the base and you're gonna spin it, I'm gonna see what it is. What do you think it's gonna be?
I don't care as long as it's not brown.
Okay.
I mean, I don't want to get the green, so we picked some nice color, like nice green, and another one that we don't really like. So just to keep it like exciting.
Yeah.
So
okay, you ready?
I'm ready to spin it. Okay.
Okay, you go
Bring
first.
it on.
Ready? Good spin. Oh my gosh.
That was a good one.
That was a really good spin.
What did I get?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Is
it okay?
It's okay. It's okay. It is a yellow, cadmium yellow, or deep hue.
I mean, that's interesting.
It could be good.
With white, it's interesting.
It could be good.
Oh.
I don't know. All right. So now
color split, white and yellow.
Yes, white and yellow.
I have never done one like this.
You know what?
Interesting. Interesting.
We're gonna do it now.
Okay, you
so
spin.
Now we're gonna
you
go,
spin.
Yes, we're gonna trade, and we're gonna do the two colors that we're doing inside.
Inside of the flow.
Okay. All right. You ready?
All right, Molly, do it. So
Okay.
we're gonna pick two colors inside of the flow, and after that, each one of us will be allowed to pick the other two colors for her side of the painting. But two, we're gonna have the same, and we're gonna pick them randomly from the wheel. Go for it.
Okay,
pick
you
it.
ready?
Yes.
What is it?
Primary magenta. Oh,
okay.
this is gonna be a bright.
Good.
It's gonna be bright things in that yellow.
Yes.
Primary magenta.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. That's good. Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay. Come on. Come on.
Come on,
What is
come
it?
Greenish blue. That's a pretty color.
Okay.
That's a nice one.
Okay.
So
all
we
right.
didn't get brown.
Okay,
High five
we
on
didn't
that.
get brown.
But this is very. We have like some blue,
Greenish blue.
magenta, and yellow. Oh my God, this is.
Now
gonna
we
be-
have to pick our other colors.
Okay. Well, I reserved the gold. Okay. I don't reserve it. You can have it too. I must use gold.
I'm gonna go shopping and pick my
We need
other
to do
colors.
shopping. We're gonna mix some colors and we'll be right back. Keep watching. All right, we're back. We picked our colors. So what I'm gonna do? This is gonna be the base. We're almost shooting for primary color combo. So this painting is gonna be bright, which
Vibrant.
is awesome. So this is gonna be base along with the white. Those
And
are
what
the
color?
colors.
Let me see.
That's the deep,
This
right?
is Azo Yellow
Deep. So I actually like that color a lot.
Yes. Yeah.
These two will work amazing with it. For metallic, I decided to pick gold. You guys know me, I love gold. It's hard for me to resist
So your
it.
side's gonna be like very warm,
Warm.
bright colors.
Yes, and I also decided to add permanent magenta. It will create, so this one is gonna be more like a highlight magenta, and this is gonna be more like a shade magenta. So that will give me a little more depth inside of the flow. So those are gonna be my colors, and we're gonna mix them up. We're gonna be ready for first part of the diptych, and to see which colors Molly picked, head over to second part to see her part of the diptych. So let's mix some paint.
All right.
Let's do it. We are back we have everything set up, and you guys, look what I get to work with. Ah! Now this is the sacred tool of Molly's artistry, her blow dryer. I haven't used it. I decided not even to practice it. I decided to play it by the ear. Maybe this is a horrible mistake. We will see.
I think it'll be fine.
But you know, each artist has their own tool, their habits, and you know what's super comfortable for one can be super awkward for the other. I'm gonna try my best. We're gonna blow on low. As usual, and let's see.
This is just an
old
Revlon blow dryer, like $10.
Yeah, but look at it. Look at the paint and everything. It's a work of art. It's a work of art.
Taped on the mouthpiece, air concentrator.
But you do such magic with it. I hope I get like a little bit of that magic on my side. So we're working on 16 by 20. I was gonna say cradle wood panel. No, this is canvas. 16 by 20 canvas. We each one gonna do the same size. So I'll do the right side, you're gonna do the left side.
Yes.
And it's gonna be even a little more challenging for Molly because she's gonna have to continue my composition. So I have a little more freedom here. And I get to decide where I want my white and yellow to go. So I'm gonna go yellow on the bottom, white at the top, and we'll have this beautiful blowout like this.
Okay.
And I think we should shift the center of our flow a little bit off. That's what I want it to be. So on the third,
bottom,
I want to go a little bit like this. And you will decide what you're gonna do with yours.
She just threw me out to dry.
Yeah, just like that, you guys.
All right.
So,
and we're gonna have them offset, hanging, offset.
I think no, but do you want them to be offset? We can do it.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, let's do. Actually, this can be, and this way you can continue the.
I can do the flow.
I like that.
Start at the top
I like that.
and flow down. Okay.
Let's do it this way.
We got it.
Perfect.
We're making this up as we go.
Yeah, and the yellow. And the yellow will continue for you like this. So yeah, I actually like the offset.
And that'll be my top.
Yes.
And then white on the bottom. Okay, we got it.
Perfect. What would you like to be a secret message for this one?
Friendship.
Friendship. I like this one. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do it with yellow. I use the same color that I use for the base, and since my yellow is gonna be here.
Oh, I like this color.
Yeah.
I love this message.
And with the colors that we pick, we'll explain it at the end, but it's like perfect. All right.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
This one's good.
All right, I'll take this.
Take this. So I will add white first. And this is like the biggest bucket of paint I've ever worked with. So I'll try not to pour.
I mix them up so that we can all paint.
This should be enough. And Molly usually blows out her base. I like to swipe it. So I think this should be enough, but I will add more after if I feel like it. And for my yellow.
You gotta decide where you're going here.
Yeah. So we'll go like this. Sound design.
Yeah.
Okay, that should be good.
All right.
All right. So I'll use my spatulas, and I will do the yellow part first because I'll shape it up, and then I will bring white down to.
And let me see.
Guys, I have been so obsessed with cradle wood panels for the last, I don't know, year, maybe even more. For me, it's like almost awkward to work on a canvas. Like, you know how you're getting used to something and then, I just dripped some yellow in my blue. It's almost out of the comfort zone to do it. So do you push it here, just like this, or you let it drip? Okay.
I let it drip a little bit down the side, but you'll have to get it.
Because I have quite a bit of yellow here.
Yeah.
So I have a little bit of thicker layer, but that's okay. It will allow the paint to flow nicely. I'm like looking because I keep my under the table like, where is it? Where is it?
Right.
This
perfect.
It's gonna be such a vibrant color. So I'm gonna fast forward through applying the white one. It's nice to have an assistant, you know?
Yeah.
The paint is freshly mixed, so it has a ton of air bubbles. I want to start with a darker...
I'm excited.
Yeah, darker magenta first.
Oh, so one thing we did we actually mixed our colors separately and then did the drip test together to see if we mixed the same, because these are all paint and water.
Yep.
And it was almost perfect.
We do.
Color that we did.
One color was a little off, but we do it. So
we do it almost exactly the same.
Proof of the concept, you know? Yeah, because we wanted to compare each other's mixing, because like we've seen it a million times, but not like in a live setting, not in the same studio.
To, like, feel it.
Yepers. Okay, so oof. I want to bring it up.
Nice.
And I want to bring it down. Oh,
I know,
it's gorgeous there.
Gorgeous.
So this color, I want to have a less of it, even though this is one of. Now greenish blue.
Are you worried about it going green on the yellow?
Well, yes, absolutely. I want to have it. I like how this color works with white, because it gives the most gorgeous turquoise. Actually, I got a little drop there, but that's perfect. This.
All right.
It looks kind of cool already. Oh my goodness, it's like almost don't want to touch this, you know, it's so pretty. And finally the gold. Well, I usually go pretty heavy with my gold. But on this one, because I have yellow, like I don't want to overkill it with gold.
Right.
So I would actually add a little bit of right here so we can blow the magenta over the gold.
Okay.
Just a little under, because I'll go this way. Oh, and I got the drip. I know it will create gorgeous lacing with white. I'm dripping. I'm so unused to you work with cups. I just squeeze bottles and like
bottles. I
know.
I probably should, because I spill everything. But
yeah, I am known for that. I almost feel like I want to add just a drop of yellow right here.
Can I ask why you chose the colors you chose?
Yes. So, well, we pricked the primary magenta with the spin wheel.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and the blue.
And the blue. Well, like this is almost primary colors. Mm-hmm. This is primary color harmony, which is very contrasting, very vivid and bright.
Yes.
And adding something like green or something like violet, something that's really off, would be just an overkill. It will overwhelm the color palette completely. So I wanted to stay sort of within the same color harmony, but maybe add color that's lighter or darker. I picked darker one because this is quite light. You know, I have my gold, so I wanted to go actually add some darker color, even more there.
A little bit of contrast.
Yeah, for some contrast. Okay. And you kind of went the same route with your color palette. I'm not gonna say what you did, but it was similar logic behind it. And yeah, that's kind of what happened there. Okay. And they will create. I really like this color too, so I know it.
Yes.
It's a little bit in my comfort zone, you know.
Yeah.
So that was the process.
Put a little bit of primary magenta, extra magenta in there. Did you?
Yes, that's what I grabbed it for.
Yeah. Sorry, I asked you a question.
This is very good, Molly. Keep asking. I love it. So yeah, you know, I just see that this color has absorbed a lot. Mm-hmm. This is plenty of paint, but we were going for a really nice and bright flow. So let's add, I actually would add inside and even under.
Yeah.
Okay, now the direction of the flow also makes a big difference. Usually for those, I would go like 1, 2, like this, but like we're doing so many new things today. I'm like, what else can be done?
Whatever you want to do.
Let's do it. Oh, this is so different. The colors are gorgeous, but this is so different. So different.
Oh, you mean glowing with my
hair? Yeah, it's so different, Molly.
Yeah.
Oh, this is stunning.
Look at that.
I also love this pop of yellow here. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at that. I love this. I love this. So what I like to do, I don't know about you, but I like to now blow just with my breath to do some finer details. So I definitely want to work on this corner Your blow dryer is super cool. It's super unusual, but I love how it works.
You like the way it blows?
Yeah, it's really awesome.
I'm always so scared that like your earrings or something's gonna touch.
Yeah, I get this a lot.
I'm like so.
But I'm in control.
When I watch your videos, I'm like, don't do it, Olga. Don't get it in there.
We get in there. Like
Are you gonna do your
swipe? Yes.
finger swipe through
Yeah.
yours? Okay, so I don't normally do that, but Olga has these beautiful swipes that she does through hers. I mean, I finger paint, but normally
Yeah,
I like
yeah.
my waves and stuff.
Yeah.
So I normally finger paint with little curly cues. So it'll be interesting to see.
I want to see what you're gonna do with
and
yours.
then I'll do mine with my little finger swipes. Yeah.
Yes.
So and then we'll see how they turn out.
So I feel like I want to change this part a little more because I have very distinct movement towards this corner and a lot of paint and design here. This one, I feel like I need to smooth it out. I still want to keep some of that, but so we have more movement towards your side. So the way that I like to do it, I like to go scrape off or blow off more. And then I would blow out this part downwards to round it up.
Mm-hmm.
See, it brings the blue. And I think it is absolutely gorgeous.
Okay, so I'm gonna use that
As
my point. Awesome.
Woo! I think it's awesome.
I think it looks beautiful.
I have to say it was quite challenging, like with even like with such a basic but super vibrant color palette. But I'm glad.
What did you think of the blow dryer?
I love it.
Okay.
I really love it. I love this attachment you have. It's much wider than mine. Because right now I'm working like literally with travel blow dryer. It's very narrow.
Berta, right?
Berta, yes.
Yeah. I
It's
actually
very
have one.
Yeah.
in
Have you
there.
used it?
No, I haven't used it yet.
Oh, it's
Another
gonna be
video to
interesting.
come.
It's gonna be very interesting. Yours blows much wider, but it's stronger because it's wider. You need stronger flow. It's different. I enjoyed it. I actually,
good.
but it was for me like, oh my god, what's happening?
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop right here, you guys. And now, here it is dry. And remember, this is just the first piece of the diptych. You're gonna head over to Molly's video to see her part of the diptych and fully dry finished result all together. I have to say, I am so happy with the way my yellow dried. This is definitely not the color that I would choose for the color split base. I usually use my yellow just as an accent along with the gold, but look how striking this painting turned out. It's so full of energy. It's very dynamic. The colors are just popping. And of course, we got kind of lucky to get magenta and greenish blue. So all these colors are so bright and vibrant together. So Molly, we got lucky with this color combination. I love how my gold pops here and here. And see where my yellow overmixed with its greenish blue, it created very soft and delicate blue. Green, I mean to say, and I keep touching the painting, I keep shaking. So yeah, my magenta dried a little darker, so there is a lot more contrast in this section, and I think it actually works amazing with such a lighter color split base. So guys, please let me know what do you think about the outcome, and now let's head over to Molly's video to see fully dry, finished result for our diptych. I'll see you there. Thank you so much for joining me today. Take care and stay creative. Bye-bye.